How to fix the connection to this site is not secure on Chrome. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you're also having this kind of error that says the connection to this particular website is not secure and having this error, in this video we are going to show you exactly how we can fix it. So before that, I would like you to hit the like, share, and subscribe option and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our latest update. So once you've tried to reach out to a network in a browser, and if you're not able to access that browser due to this error, you can go ahead and click on the three dot at the top right of corner and head over to the main settings of your browser. Once you're here on this settings, you can go ahead and select privacy and security, and under privacy and security, look for the option called security. After you reach here under security, you will be finding different options. Here, watch out for the option called this one right here under secure connections. In the middle, you can find this always use secure connections. So if you have enabled this option, there is most likely chance there that is getting you the error that is not allowing you to access. You're just going to go ahead and disable that option, and after that is done, you can go ahead and try to access that particular site again. So that is it. That is how you can fix up the connection to site is not secure Chrome error for now by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.